So now the topic we are going to see is system-based attacks. So these are all the attacks which are intended to compromise a computer or a computer network. So some of the important system-based attacks are as follows. So first type is virus. So it is a type of malicious software program that spread throughout the computer files without the knowledge of a user. It is a self-replicating malicious computer program that replicates by inserting the copies of itself into the computer program when executed. It can also execute instructions that cause harm to the system. Next is worms. So worm is a type of malware whose primary function is to replicate itself to spread the uninfected computers, and it works same as computer virus. Worms often originate from email attachments that appears to be from trusted senders. Third one is Tarzan Fox horse, and it is a malicious program that occurs unexpected changes to the computer setting and unusual activity even when the computer should be idle. It misleads the user of its true intent. It appears to be a normal application, but when opened or executed, some malicious codes will run in the background. So next comes the backdoors and the bots. So it is the method of backdoor. It is a method that bypasses the normal authentication process. A developer may create a backdoor so that an application or an operating system can be accessed for troubleshooting or other purposes. And then last type is bots. A bot, short for robot, is an automated process that interacts with other network services. Some bot programs run automatically while others only execute commands when they receive specific input. Common examples of bot programs are crawlers, chat room bots, and malicious bots. So this is all regarding the types of cyber attacks. The first type is a web-based attack, and second type is system-based attacks, and in which we have 5 more types which have been discussed earlier. And now next comes the 7 layers of cyber security. So first layer is human layer, and second layer is perimeter security, and third is network security, and fourth is endpoint security, and fifth is application security, and sixth is data security, and seventh is mission critical assets. So these are all considered to be the layers of cyber security. So we'll see in detail about each layers. So first, the 7 layers of cyber security should center on the mission critical asset you are seeking to protect. So first, the mission critical assets is the data you need to protect, and the data security is it controls protect the storage and transfers of data. And next is application security. Application security controls protect access to an application, and application's access to your mission critical assets and the internal security of the application. And next comes the endpoint security, and this layer controls the protection in connection between the devices and the network. And next comes the network security, and this controls the protection on organization's network and prevents unauthorized access of the network. And next comes perimeter security, and which controls or includes the both physical and digital security methodologies that protect the business overall. And the last layer is the human layer, which layer is the weakest link in any cybersecurity posture. Human security control includes phishing simulation and access management control that protects mission critical assets from a wide variety of human threat, including cyber criminals, malicious insiders, and negligent users. So the vulnerability, threat, and harmful acts as a recent epidemic of data breaches illustrates no system is immune to attacks. Any company that manages, transmits, stores, or otherwise handles data has to institute and enforce mechanism to monitor their cyber environment, identify the vulnerabilities, and close up the security holes as quickly as possible. Before identifying specific danger to modern data system, it is crucial to understand the distinction between cyber threats and vulnerability. So that is all about the 7 layers of cyber security and the second type of data attack. Thank you.